Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stella Kimani here. As always, we are always talking about small businesses, finance and investing. Today, for our topic today, we'll be discussing, as we had earlier promised, about cash flow management in small businesses. Yeah, cash flow is a huge issue when it comes to small businesses, because most of the small business owners do not know how to monitor and control the cash coming into the business and money leaving the business. Yeah, that is what cash flow management is all about. Yeah, so today we'll be looking at the tips and how well you can manage your cash flow when it comes to your business. And remember, we said you need to disintegrate your business money from your personal finance. Okay, yeah, so let's dive in and look at the tips on how to control your cash flow. Number one, to help you monitor your cash flow, you need to always be on toes. Know what amount you're expecting from outside and know how much has left your company. Okay, how much has left the business and how much you're expecting to get at the end of the day. If possible, let it be as frequent as possible. Okay, it should always be at your fingertips. How much money do you owe? How much do you have? How much do you expect at any given time in your business? Okay. Number two, you should be to monitor your cash flow. You should always aim at reducing cost. Keep your cost at the bare minimum. Okay. Yeah, it is said that profit is what you get minus the costs. So you need to keep your costs at a minimum. Be frugal when it comes to your spending on the business. Okay, costs that you can do without, things that you can do without within the business, keep them at the bare minimum. Okay. Number three, you need to automate your cash transactions. Okay, you need to be ahead of the game in controlling, automating your funds. Whatever is coming in and whatever is leaving the business, you need to automate that. They are the recurrent expenditure. You can automate that. At the end of the day, maybe you make weekly payments, monthly payments, or maybe daily payments. You need to automate that so that once the money is there in the account, it can automatically be transferred to the relevant accounts. Let's say like now at the end of the day, after the sales have been added up, once you get the final figure, there's how you distribute the cash. Okay, automate that so that it becomes easier for you not to have cash in hand at all times. Something else, you need to improve on your line of credit, your business line of credit. That way you will be safe. It's like an insurance for your cash, for your business cash. You can cash in terms of against your inventory, against your receivables, against your debtors. By a line of credit, we mean that you can get some credit terms from your lenders against what you have in stocks, that is inventory, or against your debtors, the money that is owed to you. Okay, by your clients, by your customers. Okay, so you need to have a good relationship with your lenders, with the financial institutions, so that they can save you on a rainy day. Okay, something else that really uses business cash is when you need to buy the assets. Now, in that case, you can consider leasing assets other than buying, because assets are usually very expensive. In the meantime, if you can't afford to purchase an asset, you can weigh the option of leasing and buying. Which one is cheaper? Which one is more fairer to your business? Okay, at the given time, you see, given the prevailing conditions within your business, if you're not very stable financially in your business, you can consider leasing. Yeah. Okay. Finally, you need to invoice in good time. Do not let your personal errands interfere with your invoicing. Okay, invoice in good time as you travel, as you handle your personal businesses, as you handle your other affairs outside the business. Do not let that interfere with your invoicing period. invoice in good time so that you can have money running within the business in good time. Okay, yeah. And that goes hand in hand with maybe you can ask for partial payment when it comes to a big order from your clients. Okay, let's say you have one client who has placed a huge order or needs to be supplied with a lot of items from your business. You can ask for an upfront amount to a certain percentage. Maybe you can agree so that you don't run on a deficit. Okay, you see, once money is tied to one client, you may not be able to satisfy the other clients who are also important for the business. So to have cash flowing throughout the business, in and out of the business regularly, and ensuring that your business is running smoothly, you need to have money coming in and leaving the business, and still leaving you with some money to manage, to run the daily activities of the business. Yeah, that said, proper recording is critical when it comes to cash flow management. Every shilling must be accounted for in your small business. If you are to make any progress money wise, you need to make recording of all transactions. You can get a professional to do that. Nowadays there are so many programs, there are so many apps you can install that you just need to feed in data and they'll do the calculations for you. Okay, that said, kindly, if you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that we can keep producing much of such content to keep you moving, to keep you growing, to keep you progressing. Thank you and see you in the next video.